Hi everyone! So today we're going to be drawing this jellyfish. I'm going to take you through every step, and by the end of this video I know you'll be able to draw this jellyfish. So we're going to start with a simple guide. It's one of the easiest guides I've ever made. It's just a simple cross. Let's start with this horizontal line and then draw in a vertical line in the center. Make the bottom of the cross much longer than the top. The longer the bottom part of the guide, the longer the tentacles of the jellyfish will be. Now I'm going to carry on drawing with this pen, but feel free to use a pencil. Start with a line here along the guide, and then draw a curved line like a rounded mountain shape. Make sure that the highest point of the jellyfish is at the top of the guide. Next, we're going to draw some tentacles on each side of the guide, starting with the left. Draw 3 curved lines with varied length, and then draw 3 more on the right hand side. Again, make them all different length. It already kind of looks like a jellyfish. So now the middle 2 tentacles are going to need some frills. For the frills, you just need some wavy lines coming from the top of the jellyfish, like so, making sure they taper down. And then add some extra frills near to the end. Let's do the same thing on the right. Wavy lines tapering off at the bottom, and then add a few small ones. Nice. The basic shape is coming together and we need to add even more tentacles. So I'm going to start by coming off from near the frills, make it nice and curly. We want lots of variation, so go long, short and mix up the waviness. There's no specific areas you need to go, just go with the flow. Once you've drawn about 6 extra tentacles, we can draw the head. Draw a curved line similar to what's already there. It's kind of like a mushroom top. Now we're going to draw these simple lines inside. 3 in the left side and 3 more in the right side. This gives the jellyfish a distinct pattern. Now we're adding these little dots, getting smaller as they go outwards. This can be like the lights of the jellyfish from the deep, or just a fun pattern. It really just brings the jellyfish to life. Okay, after you've added all the dots, we're going to move on to the details. I'm going to use a pen with a thinner end, and I'm going to draw these lines inside the frills. Keep them nice and close and fill in the area. Same for the ones on the right. Make the lines flow with the shape of the frills. All the lines are vertical and very close to each other. It adds a nice texture to the jellyfish. Now I'm gonna add more tentacles using this thinner pen, again with different waviness. You can be quite random here. Just be careful not to overdo the tentacles by adding too many. I like to add around 5 or 6 extra with different length and different swirly motions. Now let's add extra lines in the head of the jellyfish too. This is gonna create like a translucent feel. And then add some short lines at the base of the head for the shading. Just little lines will do, nothing complicated. Now let's add some more short lines inside the head just here, like this. It adds a little bit of depth to the jellyfish. It's an easy shading technique anyone can do. I feel like I want to add a few more tentacles, so I'll put one here and I think I'll draw one here too. I like how this looks, so I'm gonna erase all the pencil marks. And there we have the jellyfish. What does yours look like? I know with a little bit of practice you can easily draw this too. And for anybody who wants to practice drawing this jellyfish more, I'll leave a link to this printable template in the description below the like button. And if you want to take drawing animals to another level, I have this Animals Made Easy drawing tutorial book available on Amazon. Thanks for watching to the end, and see you in the next one. Bye!